Hello children, today we are going to read the 5th chapter from your English literature, and the name of the lesson is The Summit Within. This lesson is written by Major Ahluwalia. Major H.P.S. Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. He climbed the Mount Everest on 29 May 1965 along with his friends Rawat and Fuldorji in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. He was injured and confined to a wheelchair. He is the recipient of several awards like Padma Bhushan, Arjun Award, and National Award for the best work done in the field of disability. He won the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for Lifetime Achievement on August 29, 2009. He has written several books like Higher Than Everest, Beyond the Himalayas, and Everest is Within You. So Major Ahluwalia was a member of the first team conquering Mount Everest in 1965. In this extract, he tells us about his feelings standing on the highest peak of the world. His first feeling was of humiliating. He thanked God because the expedition had ended successfully. He was both happy and sad. He felt aggrieved because he had reached the summit, and after that there would be nothing higher to climb. Climbing Mount Everest gives a deep sense of joy which lasts for a lifetime. The experience changes one completely. It was a conquest of a high mountain, but the writer felt that climbing or getting over summit of the mind was no less difficult. While climbing down from the top, he asked himself, why did he chosen to climb? This achievement becomes a thing of the past. It would fade within the passing of time. He questioned himself as to why people wish to climb high mountains. The simplest answer is that it is a difficult task and man feels great in overcoming difficulties. Climbing a mountain is a tough task because it tests one's physical strength and willpower. The writer then proceeds to answer the personal question. Mountains had an attraction for him since his childhood. He missed them while he was away from them. Their beauty and grandeur presented a challenge. Over all mountains are a way to feel close to God. But why Everest? He chose it because it was the highest and the most challenging task. It was a hard struggle with rocks and ice. He stood on the summit. He felt the joy of having done something great, of achieving great victory. The call of Everest draws him to it. It is difficult to tell the reason for climbing. It is like answering why one breathes or why you do good acts. The success is followed by a sense of fulfillment or satisfaction. It is a proof of man's love and for adventure. There is another summit to climb. It is within yourself, your own mind. The most difficult task to how oneself, or one has to do it alone and himself. The writer's experience as an Everest inspired him to face life boldly. That was the explanation of this lesson. I hope you had fun learning with me.